Before you begin to change your flat tire, make sure your hazard lights are on. This will ensure the safety of you and your vehicle. You must also apply the emergency brake. You will need a spare tire, a car jack, a lug nut wrench, and other tools that came with the jack. These tools can be found in your trunk. The first step of changing your flat tire is to locate the lug nuts. The lug nuts can be found behind the hubcap, in which you can remove with a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar that came with the jack. You can then proceed to loosen the lug nuts, but don't loosen them completely because the jack needs to be raised before the tire can come off. The jack should be placed by the flat tire. There may be a piece under the car, like this, where the jack is meant to go. Once the jack is placed correctly, you can begin to raise the car. The lug nut wrench and the pry bar tool can be used to easily raise the car. Place these tools into the jack as shown. Turn the tools to the right so the jack will raise the car. Continue until the tire is off the ground. The next step is to finish removing the lug nuts and to remove the flat tire. Then, place the spare tire where the flat tire used to be. Start putting the lug nuts in place to keep the tire on. Then you can lower the jack by using the tools. Turn the tools to the left to lower. After the jack is done lowering, tighten the lug nuts. After tightening the lug nuts, you have successfully changed your own flat tire.